Ever wondered how crucial online marketing is in today's digital world? It's not just a trend, it's a revolution that has completely transformed the way businesses operate and how consumers behave. Imagine a world where businesses can reach millions of potential customers with just a click. That's the power of online marketing. It's not about simply having a website or a social media page, it's about leveraging these platforms to build a strong online presence, to engage with consumers, and to drive business growth. In this lightning-fast digital age, consumer behavior is evolving rapidly. Consumers are more connected, more informed, and they demand more from businesses. So, businesses must evolve too. They must embrace online marketing, understand its nuances, and master its strategies. In the digital world, mastering online marketing is not just an option but a necessity. Traditionally, marketing degrees have been the go-to for aspiring marketers. But how do they stack up against online marketing degrees in today's digital age? In the past, a traditional marketing degree was the standard path to a career in marketing. These programs, often housed in business schools, provide a broad overview of marketing principles, strategies, and tools. They typically cover areas like market research, consumer behavior, branding, and advertising. However, with the advent of the internet and the shift towards digital marketing, the landscape has changed dramatically. Let's consider an online marketing degree. These programs are tailored for the digital age with a focus on current trends and tools. They cover areas like social media marketing, SEO, digital advertising, and content marketing. The content is always up to date, reflecting the fast-paced nature of the digital marketing world. Now, let's talk about delivery. Traditional marketing degrees are delivered in a classroom setting with fixed schedules and locations. This can be restrictive for many, especially those juggling jobs, family commitments, or living in remote areas. On the other hand, online marketing degrees offer flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, at a time and place that suits you. This opens up opportunities for a wider demographic of students who may not have been able to pursue a traditional degree. Lastly, let's discuss relevance. While traditional marketing degrees provide a solid foundation, they may not fully prepare students for the digital marketing landscape. Online marketing degrees, however, are designed to equip students with practical skills they can apply directly in their careers. They often include real-world projects and case studies, giving students hands-on experience in digital marketing. So how do traditional and online marketing degrees stack up? They both have their merits. Traditional marketing degrees offer a comprehensive understanding of marketing principles, while online marketing degrees provide a more focused and flexible approach tailored for the digital age. As the world becomes increasingly digital, it's clear that online marketing degrees offer advantages that traditional marketing degrees may not. Ready to take the leap and equip yourself with the skills to excel in the digital world? Online marketing degrees offer a plethora of options, each tailored to fit your career goals and lifestyle. You can choose a bachelor's program focusing on fundamental marketing concepts, or a master's degree, where you'll dive deeper into strategic marketing, consumer behavior, and digital analytics. There's also the option of a doctorate for those looking to contribute to the field with original research. These degree programs stay relevant by continuously updating their curriculum to keep pace with the rapidly evolving digital landscape. They cover a wide range of subjects, from social media marketing to SEO, content strategy to data analytics. The career prospects? They're as diverse as the courses. From digital marketing managers and SEO specialists to content strategists and social media managers, the opportunities are endless. Don't wait for the future to come to you. Explore your options and get an online marketing degree today. Remember, the world is digital and so should be your marketing skills.